Want audit grade trade ideas you can verify in no time? In 3 minutes, I'll show you how Quantheric's time-stamped emails become verifiable, action-ready calls, and where to check outcomes. Quantheric provides educational buy, hold, and sell opinions based on trailing financial disclosures extracted from earnings calls, press releases, and our analysis. Every opinion arrives as a permanent time-stamped email. That timestamp is the proof, not a claim. It lets you reproduce the call, compare it to the market, and judge results for yourself. Quantheric's illustrative performance, 85% versus S&P, 513.1%. Create an account and subscribe to view the active list and receive buy opinion emails showing ticker, date, and price. For example, we have a buy opinion email for MU that was sent on March 31st. You can see the ticker, last closing price, and the date. You can view more details for the company on the active list on the website. When a position closes, you get a sell opinion update with details. The opinion moves to the archived library, accessible by website, which is linked in the email. This is the sell opinion email for MU. It was sent on April 1st. You can see the last closing price, the release closing price, price change, and duration. For more details, press on the archived library link. Here, you can see all the past opinions. If you click on the Learn More button, you will see the company's details. This chart shows the illustrative performance per company as of April 7th, 2026. You can verify each ticker by using the archived coverage library. Act like an auditor, not a gambler. Verifying one call today reduces the chance of avoidable mistakes tomorrow. Small verification steps compound into better decisions. If you have any questions, email support@quantheric.io, link provided in the description. This is educational content, not personalized investment advice. Verify filings and make your own decisions. What makes Quantheric unique is its ridiculous transparency and outstanding performance.